In this video, I will discuss my YouTube philosophy. One is that I'm not doing this for subscribers or views or likes or even for people who do YouTubing full-time AdSense. You can make a little bit of money with. I'm just doing YouTube because it's a way for it to reach people all around the world. I've looked up very specialized topics in software. For example, I had a question about a scientific and math topic. I could Google it and get an answer. So as I work on AutoCAD and various things, if I discover something helpful and there's not a tutorial about video about something, I'm going to make a tutorial video about it and post it. I do this because I like doing it. I'm just doing it because I like it. I do aim to make clear videos. I'm basically interested in AutoCAD. For an example of this is this, so I'll be making some videos about that. I'm interested in making Windows help tutorials, so how to use the right-click start menu, how to sort files, how to modify the desktop background, how to modify the power settings, how to use Windows File Explorer, how does a file system work, how to customize the start menu. I'm also going to be making, so basically whatever I'm working on, I'm going to be making videos on, like making videos on math, such as linear algebra, calculus, gradient descent, how computers operate, so RAM, and many other things. Thinking of making a video on how to record your own video with OBS Screen Recorder and how to do a screen recording. I'm also doing this to keep a record of what I'm interested in. That way I can look back and say, hey, I learned about this, I did this. I'm also hoping to make some videos on Google Chrome and how to use it. I think we often assume that, oh yeah, everyone knows how to do this technology thing, but everyone has to learn something once. And a computer is just another tool. It is a revolutionary tool, but a tool nonetheless. So when you're going to the internet to Google how to download Google Chrome, you have to do it a first time. So maybe you've had Internet Explorer all your life, and because you're at a hospital, most hospitals haven't switched from Internet Explorer to Chrome, and you want to switch to Google Chrome. So there's a first time for everything, and it's never too late to start. So most of these videos are going to be screen recorded. So I'll be using OBS Screen Recorder. You might see me at the beginning of the video using this. I also like using Wolfram Mathematica to solve problems.